Okay, so this is an explanation as to what you're going to be creating. First, I'm looking at the actual class site right now. Okay, and so typically you'd come to rlsbluedevils.org, you come to technology classes. Here's you, video tech, and you guys have already done Mac OS, iTunes, GarageBand. I think we're just getting to photos, and then we lost class. We broke and weren't able to continue class. And this is where you're going to learn to start making videos. And the problem is that we can't do green screen, we can't film because everything's in the classroom and we don't have access to the classroom. This is what you would have made. And I want you to go ahead and click on this, Model Jet Fighter Green Screen. And then down here, you're going to learn how to add lasers to your jet fighters. So I want you to take a peek at this, because this is what you were going to do, both these. Okay. Now instead, I'm going to go ahead and have you take the scripts that you've created, and you're going to go ahead and instead of us using film, Final Cut Pro, green screening, what you have access to is your Chromebooks and Google Drive. And inside of Google Drive, you have slides. And so I'm going to go ahead and let you take your scripts and your storyboards, and we will recreate your scenes using Google Slides. I will push you the slide. First, I need to train you how to do it. It's very simple. It doesn't give you all the features that you could have used inside of Final Cut Pro, but still you'll be able to make a basic little movie based off of your script, your storyboard, and then I'll reach in to your Google Drive, take it from each of the scenes you do and connect them. I'll add some audio in the background, music, and at least there we'll have a basic little Star Wars video created by you, and hopefully you have fun with it and representative of our class. Let me show you right now what you're going to create. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to hit present, and whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Let me go back up, click on the first one, and let me hit present from beginning. And so I'll click on it, and there's my title slide. Here's the jet fighter shooting the lasers. Here's the first. Red Dog 1, Red Dog 1. You're going to recreate this. And this is where you're going to learn the skill of how to do this. And then Red Dog 1, I'm going with my blasters. It's a hit. Red Dog 1, let's pull out and go home. And that's how I'm going to train you how to use Google Slides. You're going to recreate this model, okay? And you can see there's a title slide. There's a total of what? 1, 2, 8 slides. And I'm going to show you how to create the motion. First, how to create the slides. I'm going to give you all the pieces so that you'll learn how. And then you're going to go ahead and recreate what I just did. And by doing that, you're going to have all the skills to create your Star Wars scene, because you'll now know how to get images in, add audio, and you'll be able to dialogue will be these little dialogue boxes, and more importantly, you're going to learn how to do motion. So you'll be able to get fighters to move, you'll be able to get people to move, R2-D2 to move, or whatever else. So this is how I'm going to train you. You're going to recreate this model that I have here, which is a Google version, Slides version of the green screen one the class already did. And then once you learn these skills, you're going to be totally set to be able to create your scene of Star Wars and hopefully have a lot of fun in the process. And I'll take them, put them all together, and we'll have our class Star Wars film. And since you have your Chromebooks here at home, it's totally doable. That's it. Let's move on to creating this model. I'm going to show you You might as well be creating it as I'm showing you how to do it. Ready? Let's do it.